How to make your house smell good all the time. Whether you're trying to remove the odors from fresh paint, cigarette smoke, or pets, natural products from your pantry can work wonders. Real estate agents know the power of comforting aromas in helping to sell a home, so they bake cookies or simmer spices in water on the stovetop. You can do the same thing at home with your favorite herbs and spices. Diffuser sticks add a layer of scent slowly as the scented solution is wicked up the natural material rods. You can buy room diffusers in a myriad of scents, or you can make your own with a favorite container, bamboo skewers, essential oil, baby oil, and alcohol. Scented candles have been used for centuries in rituals to provide restful thoughts and medicinal healing. Today we use them as decorative focal points, aromatherapy, and to create ambiance. Commercial essential oil diffusers can be purchased in lots of shapes and sizes, so you can easily find one that fits your home decor. Most operate with an ultrasonic plate that breaks down the oil into base molecules and uses water as a transference method to disperse the oils into the air in an ultra-fine mist. Potpourri adds a decorative look to bowls and containers and can add scent to a room. You can make your own by gathering your own natural materials, allowing the material to dry for a few weeks, and adding just a few other ingredients. Sachet bags are often tucked away in closets, shoes, and dresser drawers to keep clothing smelling fresh and can even repel damaging insects. You can easily make your own by drying flowers and herbs from your garden or buying already mixed potpourri. Commercial air fresheners are sold as aerosol sprays, pump sprays, gels, candles, and plug-ins. They are formulated with different odor-eliminating technologies to alter the pH of odor molecules and/or odor-trapping technologies to alter the way we perceive odors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.